Hello friends, welcome to Ayurvedic channel The Indian Pathy. I am Dr. Khushbu Mishra and today we are going to discuss on topic neonatal reflexes. So let's start. First of all, let's understand what is neonatal reflexes. So neonatal reflex is an involuntary response towards a stimulus. That means it is one sort of response towards a stimulus. That means whenever we give some sort of stimulus to the baby starts producing a response against that stimulus, and that response is called as neonatal reflex. And this neonatal reflex will be an involuntary response. That means the baby will be unaware of the response which it is producing. That means it will be very sudden as well as it will be automatic action against the stimulus. So this was neonatal reflexes. Now we're going to discuss what are different types of reflexes seen in the neonates. First is sucking reflex, second is rooting reflex, swallowing reflex, sneezing reflexes, coughing reflex, gag reflex, doll's eye reflex, Moro's reflex, startle reflex, Babinski reflex, plantar reflex and parachute reflex. All these are different types of reflexes which are seen in babies. Each one we are going to see in detail. First, let's start with sucking reflex. Now, what is sucking reflex? It is a reflex in which when we touch the lips and the mouth of the newborn, or when we enter something in the mouth of newborn, so the baby starts sucking that thing. This is called as sucking reflex. That means if you enter some sort of pencil or some finger inside the mouth or lip in the lip or the mouth of the newborn, so the baby starts sucking that thing. This is called as sucking reflex, and this reflex disappears at around 1 year of age. That means till 1 year of age you can see this sucking reflex in the babies. Second is rooting reflex. Now what is rooting reflex? It is a reflex in which when we touch the newborn's baby's cheek and lips, that means when the cheek area or the lip area is touched of the baby starts to shift the head or the face towards the site of stimulus. That means if you are touching the right cheek of the baby, the head of the baby will be tilted towards the right side, and when you are touching the left side, that means left cheek of the baby, the head of the baby will be tilted towards the left side. So this is rooting reflex, and this disappears at around 3 to 4 months of age. Now next is swallowing reflex. The name itself means swallowing. That means baby swallows something. Whenever liquid is inserted in the mouth of baby, any milk or some liquid content is given in the mouth of the baby, baby starts to swallow that thing. This is called a swallowing reflex, and swallowing reflex never disappears. That means lifelong this reflex is seen in the babies. Next is sneezing reflex. That means the baby sneezes, and when it sneezes, whenever any foreign particle enters the upper airway, the upper airway gets stimulated. So in response to this, baby starts showing the sneezing reflex. This is called a sneezing reflex. That means whenever foreign particle enters the upper airway, that means it enters the respiratory tract, and because of this foreign particles, the respiratory tract, that is upper airway, particularly the upper airway region of the respiratory tract, that part gets stimulated. And because of this stimulation, what baby responds towards the stimulus is sneezing. It shows sneezing reflex, and this never disappears. That means the sneezing reflex is seen lifelong. Now next is coughing reflex. Whenever some sort of foreign particles is entering the lower airway, in sneezing reflex what was seen was foreign particle entering the upper airway. Here in coughing reflex, the foreign particle enters the lower airway, and wherever this foreign particle enters the lower airway, that lower airway passage gets stimulated, and in response to that, that means in order to remove or release the foreign particles, what baby shows is nothing but starts coughing in order to release the foreign particles. This is called as this is called as coughing reflex, and even this reflex never disappears. Then we have reflex. Gag means, that means regurgitation. That means releasing out all the stomach contents of the stomach. That means whenever the pharyngeal, posterior pharyngeal part is that means stimulated, the all the stomach contents, it gets released outside. This is called as gag reflex, and this reflex never disappears. Then we have doll's reflex. That means the eye movement is not according to head movement. Whenever we twist or turn the head of the baby in one side, the eye doesn't move according to the head. That means if you are tilting the head of the baby towards the right side, the eye movement will still be the straight, it won't shift towards the right side. And when you are tilting the head of the baby towards the left side, then too the eye movement will be in the straight direction. that means it won't move at all. So this is called as doll's eyes reflex. It never disappears, that means it disappears at after 3 to 4 months. Then we have Moro's reflex. In order to observe this reflex, newborn is made to sit in the semi-sitting position. That means first of all the baby is made to sit in semi-sitting position, and after making it sit in semi-sitting position, what we have to do is nothing but suddenly give a backward stroke. That means you have to bend the baby in the backward direction, and when you're bending the baby in backward direction from 45-degree angle to 30-degree angle, then suddenly the arms as well as the fingers and thumbs, they get abducted and extended. That means baby abducts and extends its arm, and thumbs and fingers become C shaped. The picture you can see, it is very clear picture. That means when you're bending the baby in backward direction, the arms become C shaped, as well as the baby abducts and extends his arm and thumbs and fingers. It disappears after 3 to 6 months of age. Then we have startle reflex. Startle means baby gets really nervous and very that means baby starts producing some response against the loud noise. When loud noise is heard by the newborn, the arms of the newborn gets adducted as well as flexed. That is, the baby shows flexion and adduction of the arm. That means it starts shaking his arms and this one feet. That is flexion and adduction of the arm because of sudden loud noise. So this disappears after 3 to 4 months. Then we have Babinski reflex. When the baby's foot sole is stroked with some sort of blunt object. That means when you're using some blunt object, and you're uh, putting that blunt object in the upward direction of the foot sole of the baby. So what happens is nothing but the baby's toe gets dorsiflexed and hyperextended. That means when you're pulling the blunt object in the upward direction, the baby's toes as well as fingers of the feet, they get extended in the upward direction, and this generally disappears by 6 months, but maybe it may be seen till 1 years of age. And why it is seen till 1 years of age? It is because of incomplete myelination of axon. What is plantar reflex? Plantar reflex is called as negative Babinski reflex. That means just like Babinski reflex, how it was the toe and fingers moving upward, here the movement of the toes and fingers will be in downward direction. It is referred to as negative Babinski reflex. When foot sole of the baby is stimulated by some outer blunt object, what baby's toes and fingers does is nothing but it gets curled in the downward direction. In the picture you can see it is very much clear. Now we have parachute reflex. Parachute reflex is when we bounce the baby in the air. That means we lift or we bounce the baby in the air. What it does is nothing but is extremities get extended. That means baby responds towards the bouncing of the air is nothing but by extending his extremities. That means baby extends his extremities, and this appearance is nothing but 6 months. That means this parachute reflex is seen at the 6 months of age, and it never disappears. So this was all different types of reflexes seen in the newborn. Till then, keep liking, sharing and subscribing our channel for more videos. Keep supporting our channel. Thank you so much.